Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add frames to your videos on the Video Store app. So you're just going to press new, and then you are going to choose Re-Effect. Then you are going to sort of press this plus button and go to edit, and then I'm going to go here. And as you can see, there's a lot to choose from. There's the dark edge black frame, white frame, spotlight, etc., etc. So choose one that you'd like. For instance, let's see. For instance, this one, or there's like cards, but it's kind of funny when it isn't a landscape shape, as you can see. So I'm just going to choose the dim frame. Then I'm just going to press this, and then don't forget to press Re-Effect. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!